Hello traders, my name is Diego and welcome to a new video. I hope you are all having a great Sunday. On today's video, I am going to talk about the overall indexes, the overall health of the market, and my watch list for this upcoming week, and my thoughts around purchasing any stocks in this coming week. So I'm gonna make myself a bit smaller so I can share my screen with you. So for those of you who are wondering, I am using MarketSmith and TradingView, but for now I'm gonna use just MarketSmith to go through this video. So the first thing that I want to bring up to your attention is that the S&P and the overall indexes had a rally up the last week. Yes, the last 2 weeks, it has been rallying up, and most likely is gonna be hitting a resistance. As you can see here, there was a resistance point here, kind of like here as well, and here and here and here. So most likely this price point, the $410, is going to be a new resistance point for the overall indexes. So we could most likely expect a pullback around this price range. So what does that mean for the individual stock? So it means that most likely something that you need to know is that when the general indexes are going down, 3 out of 4 stocks are going to follow suit, meaning they are going to go down along with the market. So it doesn't pay off to go against the overall market if it's going to be trending down. In other words, since the rally that started on January the 6th, it might soon come to an end or reaching out this resistance at $410, the S&P, I would strongly suggest to hold off on new purchases or just locking profits on current positions from this rally up, because most likely we're going to hit a resistance price point and expecting a pullback. Anything can happen. I don't know. That's my experience from like previous rally ups. So we're going to be expecting a resistance price point here. So I wouldn't add more exposure to the market, because still like the overall trend is down, and especially if we are getting close to a resistance price point. With that being said, what stocks are setting up for this upcoming week? I'm gonna start with TDW. Full disclosure, I'm gonna use the weekly chart, so it gives me a better, or give us a better perspective on the big picture about the stock. So I am currently holding a position on TDW. My entry price point was like around this general area, right? So I am expecting to lock in profits sometime within the next week, once or before, hopefully, that the market hits a resistance at $410. So this is, I am currently holding a position here. Good industry group, number 21. We can see here some funds acceleration, good management ownership, funds as well. We can see as well some sales acceleration. Is a really good stock with a strong volume, as you can see here as well. So yeah, nice position. Plus the 99 RS rating, and the RS line is trending up. So really, really good stock. Anyway, the next stock or hottest stock in my watch list is Valaris. As you can see here, is crossing this resistance price point as well. Good volume. As well, we can see some double digits like sales and triple digits earnings, so that's a good indication as well. We can see some funds acceleration here, so new RS line high, meaning it is outperforming the S&P 500 plus RS rating of 96, so good stock as well. Then the other one that is on my watch list is a little bit extended from my from the breakout point here at 133. However, is trending up. Yeah, so this is another good stock for this upcoming week. Then we have ATI as well, breaking out from this 33 price point, going to a new high ground, as well outperforming the S&P, good RS rating. We have some funds acceleration as well, some healthy sales and profits, sales and earnings per share as well, so good EPS. And then the other one, we have TMDX in my watch list as well. It's in a high, like, well, it is about to break out to a new all high ground, which is a good indication as well. So this is on my radar as well. Then we have MOD as well, breaking out of this resistance price point all to a high ground of, well, the breakout was at $22. Then we have HES as well, breaking out to a new high ground. Good RS, above average volume. And what else? We have STRL as well on my watch list, about to break out to a new all high ground as well. And we have AGIS as well as a hot stock for this upcoming week. Good RS rating, good RS line as well, doing higher high, going to a new all high ground as well, which is a good indication. And that's it. Like, I wanna make myself a little bit bigger. So here's the thing. Yeah, there are good setups right now, as even though there are not so many stocks setting up because the overall market is still in a downtrend. We saw a good couple of setups breaking out to a new high ground with this rally from the last previous 2 weeks. But here's the thing. So from my experience is that if you start adding exposure or buying stocks right now that the rally on the S&P is getting close to hit a resistance price point, most likely the setups are going to be prone to fail. So let's say if your average profit is 10%, well, highly unlikely that is going to reach a 10% profit from your purchase price point, because the rally it's already on its way up and getting close to a resistance price point. Anything could happen. I'm not saying that don't buy anything, but from my experience, I would rather to just start like thinking of locking in profit, or just simply hold off for a new pullback, setting up for a new potential rally up, or just wait for it to do a lower lows. But adding exposure this upcoming week, it could it could be a little bit riskier because again we are getting close to a resistance price point on the general indexes. So my duty is to protect my profits plus get the minimum risk, right? Like put all the odds in my favor that I'm going to make a profit. And again, since when the overall market goes down, 3 out of 4 stocks are going to follow the overall market. So it doesn't pay off argue or fight with the market. I would rather take advantage of a new rally up from the very beginning as it happened on January the 6th. But right now we're getting close to a resistance price point. So risk reward ratio, I don't see it worth it, at least for myself. Also, well, that is it for this video. If you like the video, I would really appreciate your thumbs up and your subscription to the channel. So it will help me to grow this channel and create more content like this one that will help you to become a better trader, which that's my passion and my goal as well. Also, if you want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram or both, I'm gonna leave the links in the description section of this video. I am very active on Twitter, and sometimes I post, like for instance, stuff like this, like my watch list for next week. You will find that watch list on Twitter and some good information, some knowledge as well to make you make more informed decisions about the stock market or the overall stock market as well. And yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments section what's in your watch list for this week. I would love to hear from you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them as well in the comments section. Happy to answer them for all of you. I put together a like a community chat on Discord where you can reach out to me faster, and you can hang out with other like-minded people and other people interested in stock trading. So if you want to join the community, it's for free. And that is it. Have a great Sunday and see you on the next one.